Mary birthed Jesus, 'twas in a cow stall, with wise men and farmers and shepherds and all. And high from God's heaven a star's light did fall, and the promise of ages it then did recall. If Jesus had wanted for any weeping, a star in the sky, or a bird on the wing, or all of God's angels in heaven for to sing, he sure could have had it, 'cause he was the King. I wonder, as I wander out under the sky, how Jesus the Savior did come for to die, for poor ornery people like you and like